want to briefly talk about heaters, diesel heaters, gas heaters. In this case, it's a Transit, so it is a gas heater. We're choosing to put it in the popular location, which is under the passenger seat, but I definitely know by some experience that all vans are not created equal. Sometimes you will lift the seat up and there will be a ton of stuff under here, auxiliary battery, or just something that does not allow you to put your heater right here. You're gonna have to put it in a cabinet and some kind of furniture somewhere else, but this is the best location, I think, for it if you can do it. This is kind of unusual though, is this angled panel. I have not seen it like this before. Usually it's straight up and down. So we're gonna have to make some kind of wooden furred plate out here to send our heat actually the direction we want it to go, so it doesn't just bounce down off the floor. So we'll address that when we get to that point, but I just wanted to talk about heaters real fast.